If your kitchen feels cluttered or cooking takes longer than it should, these Amazon Kitchen Essentials can help. From smarter food prep tools to space-saving organizers and clever storage solutions, each product is designed to make everyday cooking easier and more efficient. Everything you see is linked below. And if you're watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. This Cuisinart knife set includes all the essential kitchen knives, plus scissors, a sharpener, and a wooden block. Sharp, durable stainless steel blades make everyday cooking easy and precise. This 33-piece kitchen utensil set features heat-resistant silicone heads and smooth wooden handles. Safe for non-stick cookware and perfect for all your daily cooking needs. This meat chopper has 5 wide blades that quickly chop and crumble ground meat. It's heat-resistant, non-stick, easy to clean, and comfortable to use. This Pro Food chopper makes slicing, dicing, and chopping fast and effortless. With multiple stainless steel blades, it replaces several kitchen tools in one compact design. This upgraded chicken shredder makes shredding cooked meat quick and easy. The non-slip base and comfortable grip make it safe, durable, and perfect for meal prep. These SuperCube silicone freezer trays make meal prep simple and mess-free. Made from food-grade silicone, they're perfect for freezing soups, sauces, and broths in perfect portions. This is a hot dog and bun toaster designed for quick, easy cooking. It toasts 2 hot dogs and buns at once with adjustable settings and simple cleanup. This is a versatile opener that easily opens cans, jars, and pull tabs. It cuts smoothly with safe edges and removes lids cleanly without needing to touch them. This is an adjustable stove gap cover that fits neatly between the stove and counter, helping block crumbs and spills while staying heat-resistant and secure. This is a rotating storage rack that helps keep fruits and vegetables neat and easy to grab. It rolls smoothly, needs no setup, and saves space in any room. This is a fruit slicer that cores and cuts fruits into perfect wedges in one easy press. This is a divided food storage tray with 4 compartments and a secure lid. It keeps food fresh, organized, and easy to carry, making it perfect for the fridge, travel, or everyday storage. This is a set of fridge storage containers designed to keep fruits and vegetables fresh longer. They rinse, drain, and store produce easily while helping keep your refrigerator neat and organized. This is a compact vegetable chopper that makes cutting quick and easy. Just press down to slice or dice evenly, with sharp blades and a safe design that keeps your hands protected. This is a safe mandolin slicer that lets you slice vegetables quickly without touching the blades. With adjustable thickness and an easy-to-clean design, it makes everyday cooking faster and safer. This is a fun egg separator that easily separates yolks from whites. With a playful basketball design and safe materials, it makes cooking and baking quicker and more enjoyable. This is a stone drying mat that absorbs water quickly and dries in seconds. With an elegant marble look, it keeps countertops dry and works for dishes, soap, or everyday kitchen use. This is an under-cabinet paper towel holder made from sturdy stainless steel. It installs easily with adhesive or screws, saves counter space, and keeps paper towels within easy reach. This is a 3-tier serving stand for neatly presenting snacks, desserts, or appetizers. Simple, elegant, and perfect for any table. This is a cup organizer that helps keep mugs neatly stacked and easy to store. It saves space in cabinets and fits different cup sizes without any installation hassle. This is a utensil holder that lets water drain out after washing. It keeps spoons and forks dry and your counter clean. This is a handheld food chopper that makes chopping quick and easy. Just press to chop vegetables, nuts, or herbs safely, with a compact design that's easy to clean and store. This is a glass rice storage container with an airtight lid and bottom dispenser. It keeps grains fresh, organized, and easy to pour for everyday kitchen use. This is an adjustable pot and pan organizer that keeps cookware neatly stored in your cabinet. It installs in minutes, holds multiple pots and lids securely, and helps keep your kitchen organized. This is a silicone sink edge protector that cushions your countertop and dishes while washing. It also helps prevent splashes and includes a built-in holder for your kitchen sponge. This is a decorative egg separator that neatly separates yolks and whites with ease. If you found something useful, make sure to subscribe for more smart finds like these. New kitchen tools, home upgrades, and time-saving products every week. Don't miss the next one.